In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove users on Monday.com. Whether you're streamlining your team or simply cleaning up your workspace, removing users is a straightforward process that ensures your project remains organized and efficient. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to Monday.com. This is where your journey begins. You'll see the familiar interface with various options to manage your board. Once you are on the home page, locate the login button situated conveniently at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be prompted either to sign in with your Google account or enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account. It's up to your preference. Both are secure and effective ways to log in. If you choose the Google option, simply look for the email address you'd like to use. This will seamlessly log you in, allowing you to get to work quickly. From there, find the specific board where you need to manage users. This is crucial. Make sure you're on the right board, as each board operates independently, and you don't want to make changes in the wrong place. As soon as you create a board, you become its owner. This means you have the ability to subscribe other team members, allowing them to collaborate with you. It's a useful feature for engaging your team and ensuring everyone is in the loop. However, if you find that there's a need to remove someone, or even yourself, from the board, you have the control to do so. To unsubscribe someone, or even yourself, locate the invite button situated at the top right of your board. This button is your gateway to managing subscriptions. Click on it, and you'll see a list of team members currently assigned to your board. To remove someone, simply click the X next to their name. It's as simple as that. Now, if you are the owner of the board, denoted by a little blue crown icon next to your name, there's one additional step you need to take before you can remove yourself. You must first assign a new owner. This is important because every board requires an owner to manage and control access. Simply choose a new member of your team who will take over this responsibility and assign them as the owner. And there you have it, a quick, straightforward way to manage and remove users on Monday.com. Whether you're keeping your team efficient or just reorganizing, this method ensures that you're always in control. Make sure to revisit when necessary to keep your boards up to date. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.